going on, guys? Eddie here, commercial account manager down at Chastang Ford. Just wanted to show you guys a new vehicle that we had just gotten in for one of my clients here. It's gonna be an F-550 with a 12-foot utility body done by Knapheide. Super beautiful, lots of space for all your tools and equipment here. It does lock with a key, but I actually went ahead and unlocked all of the spaces for the tools here. This truck here is gonna have all these different departments. It actually has 4 different departments. I had gotten this truck in for my customer there at Knapheide Services. Good for any company that's, utility service company, plumbing, HVAC, anything at all that you might have a large amount of tools and you might need to haul them all around and essentially need all the extra space. This is gonna have and offer all that space for you. Every shelf, every department here. And then we even go over to the other side. This is going to be the back. Very open space for any other toolbox. We got a spare tire here, like you can see. Essentially anything at all, you're able to still fit a good amount of stuff back there. Tailgate still comes down. It's a mini tailgate, almost like a traditional style, but to match obviously this utility body here. Perfect component to it. You just takes a little muscle. There it is. Just like the other side, tons of space, tons of compartments. Has 4 different ones. They're going to be of various different sizes because whatever tools you're going to use, whether it's wrenches or drills or anything at all, going to be a lot of different sizes here. I had unlocked them all for you already, but you are going to use the key that it's going to come with by Knapheide here, like so. Just to pop all of them up, and then you can go ahead and lock all of them. This one was done by Knapheide, 12-foot body. Great for any company that hauls around lots of tools, utility service companies, anything like that. Will work for you. Thanks, guys.